In this video, we're diving into a comparison of GetResponse versus Campaign Monitor to see which email software offers more customization. If you're someone who's serious about tailoring your email campaigns to fit your specific needs, stick around. We're going to take a closer look at both platforms and see how they stack up when it comes to customization options. Let's start with GetResponse. One of its standout features is its drag-and-drop email editor, which makes customizing emails quite straightforward. It offers plenty of pre-built templates, but if you want to go further, you can also adjust the structure of your emails, add dynamic content, and even customize your own templates. This flexibility is crucial if you're aiming for a fully personalized campaign, but at the same time, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. The interface is intuitive, but the depth of customization could require a bit of a learning curve if you want to unlock its full potential. Next thing, we have Campaign Monitor. While it also offers a drag-and-drop email editor, the customization options aren't as robust as GetResponse's. Campaign Monitor does provide some really clean, well-designed templates that can be customized, but the depth of editing is a bit more limited. For instance, it's easier to change things like colors and fonts, but creating complex layouts or customizing every aspect of your email may not be as seamless as with GetResponse. It's more straightforward, but this simplicity comes at the cost of flexibility. Moving on, let's talk about automation and segmentation. GetResponse excels here with its advanced automation workflows. You can create highly personalized, triggered emails based on user actions, and the segmentation options are top tier. You can create segments based on practically any behavior or data point, and you can layer these segments to target your audience even more precisely. This level of detail is a huge plus when it comes to tailoring your email marketing campaigns. Campaign Monitor does have some automation features, but they are more basic in comparison. You can set up triggers and use segmentation, but it doesn't offer the same depth of options. If you're after extremely granular control over your campaigns, GetResponse clearly pulls ahead in this area. Next thing, let's talk about testing. A good email marketing platform should allow you to test your emails before sending them out to your entire list. GetResponse has A/B testing, which allows you to test subject lines, content, and other elements of your emails. You can compare different versions to see which one performs better, which is vital when trying to optimize your emails for higher engagement. Campaign Monitor offers A/B testing as well, but it's more basic. You can only test one element at a time, which limits your ability to get a comprehensive view of what's really driving engagement. So, in terms of customization and optimization, GetResponse offers more flexibility. The fourth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Both GetResponse and Campaign Monitor offer solid reporting features, but GetResponse goes a step further by providing more granular data about email performance. From open rates to engagement metrics, GetResponse makes it easier to analyze the effectiveness of your campaigns. Campaign Monitor's reporting is good, but it's a bit more generalized, and you may need to dive deeper to get the insights you need. When it comes to pricing, both tools are relatively similar, but GetResponse can be more cost-effective for businesses looking for a broader range of features. Campaign Monitor's pricing may make it harder to justify if customization is a high priority for you, considering its more limited options. After reviewing both GetResponse and Campaign Monitor, I have to say that both are great platforms, but when it comes to offering the most customization, GetResponse clearly takes the lead. It's perfect for marketers who want complete control over their email campaigns and are willing to dive into more advanced features. However, if you're looking for a simpler, more intuitive platform, Campaign Monitor may still be a good fit for you, depending on your needs. But here's the thing. After trying both of these myself, I found an even better alternative that takes customization to the next level. If you want a platform that offers incredible flexibility, advanced features, and an easy-to-use interface, you should check out the free trial available through the first link in the description. Trust me, this is the best trial available, and you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if customization is your top priority, make sure to check out that link below and take advantage of this incredible offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.